Tell the people, Yard Style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pleasant morning again, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Now this morning I'm heading out to show you guys how we can survive. There are a lot of ways and means of surviving, especially in the country areas. So we are go out this morning. Me and Twiggy out here again. I don't know Portland me there. We are go out this morning. We are go down on the beach. We are go see if we can shoot 2 crab. I don't want a lot, just to show you one little survival technique, yeah? So we are head down there, we are going to catch 2 crab and we are going to see what can go on from this, alright? Yeah, man. Alright now people, so as you can see, we reach down on the seaside now. You see rough out there. Yeah, man, you see rough out there, people. Yeah, the sun has come up. Sun come up already, but it just come from behind the cloud. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful morning. Yeah, we are walking around on the spot here now. Go see if we can find 2 crab and thing. So we have a bucket of water, we have a machete and we have a crab gun. So we are going out there on the hunting, people. Then we show you what go on. Big John Crow. Oh, they love out here, so no dead out here, you know. They just love out here, so. Fly, John Crow, fly. You too. Shh. Oh, you're brave. You know, look different from what they do. See you well then. Crab they migrate to the so where we're going now? run so. Cause the water flow up here, so yeah. Maca hole in the head. You catch me a while ago in my ear, you know. Gone, you know. No catch me no Twiggy. Me no catch. We river this. See it, yeah? In everybody this man in the Marcus did go. The water not full in there, Twiggy. Crab me come for look, you know. Crab me go look. And these people there. Then see me people I want to see. Crab them lock off down in them hole. Now come up Twiggy. Say crab them lock off and now come up. Dinosaur this. A cow. This looks like a cow skull. Jawbone, yeah. Yeah, people, I don't know what kind of skull this, you know. To me, look like a cow. What do you think, Twiggy?
A big donkey there.
Jawbone, yeah. No man, a donkey this man. Look on it, look here so. Look on it teeth.
Yeah man, a donkey for you.
Donkey this. Donkey there so. See teeth in there. Look on the curve in here so and then teeth again. So donkey jawbone then. There are some long teeth out the front there so.
So in teeth up there for you, know?
Yeah man, a donkey or horse or one of them kind of thing there. Or a dinosaur, Twiggy. What if a dinosaur, man? Sitting asleep, they say yes? So I'm sitting live here. We have to come here at night, go and look at what. And we not see no, we not see like no shit and there sitting there if you know what. Or sitting asleep here. And good a man style, you know. Or a dopey. And if a dopey gone. Oh, you see one? We did there so man. You have to take time and know what you do. You see? Oh, you see that? Yeah, people we pass and bounce pan this a while ago and smell it. This a pepper elder. Yeah man. Nice. Can use this and boil tea. Can use it as spice as well. Yeah man. They might grow a while in a bush. But it's a nice thing for boil tea. When we did smaller, they used to boil tea and give me with the pepper elder. Pepper elder. You catch that one there. Let me see his spear and move. You don't catch him. Small. want him same way. Now we not sure about no more. Give me a piece of tractor, Marcus. Show me, you know.
That's good.
Marcus, show me how the tractor work. No, you not show me that part there. No, I may be a good tractor like him, you know. See me, huh? Now I look like I'm a baby one twiggy. A little bit, you know. But guess what? He don't get shot already. We now waste him. We are cook him. I get boiled today. I get boiled today. Look one piece of string and tie him pan down. I first one that. I'll do a small. I good and nice this one we boil too. But he look like him. Nah, go get him. Be a stone. See my dry spear. My dry it a good on my hole there. Pop out, I me pop out. The funny man. See no Shakespeare there. Me tractor. Let me see. I just seen two of them, I did see, you know. Shine the light there. Let me see if I can get him. You know, catch him good with you, you know. Catch him. Where my shit they give me? Put the hand underneath him belly, put through in case he will go down. Shine the light. You get to, you know.
Get ready, that's the way I feel. Mad.
They're just mad. I want a nice one, man. Female too. Watch him hand on his spear now, man.
Female,
Yeah, people, so we catch one more. Yeah. Need like about 2 more. And then we can lift. We no plan to spend a long time in here, you know. So, alright now people, so I come back out of the gutter. We only catch 2 crab, one small one and one nice size one. I think we are going to stay no longer in the gutter. I will just go out there, so cook them up and show you what I go on, because that's the main thing for showing you the procedure where we are going to use and cook them, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys. Yeah, people, so then goat here, my father goat them. And then see we and just a follow back away so. I hope like they want to eat and go up here now. See there? You don't know they want to follow with her. Turn back and go eat. Yeah. Animal in love with. Alright, you know go on. Go on. We stop, go on. Move piggy, let them pass. Go on now. Watch out. Yeah, girl. Go on now. Like how we don't follow the two, you know. That one I run me down a seaside. I him did run me down, people. That's the same one here. You afraid of you? Me have my gun. Bow! Hit me a run from you this time. Where? Tear me a tear down the place, man. Be a zigzag me a run in. Thirsty, man. One nice one round on the other side. Yeah. Wait. Wally. Mash your toll.
Afraid I eat.
Like you put your gun if you're afraid of it. Make it dash way, you know. Yeah, people, quench for thirst. The life is nice, you know. Outdoor survival style. Yeah, it's good. Alright, now people, so we reach back at the spot where we are going to do the cooking. So see French time, yeah. We have a pig piece here now. We are going to use that to cook up the crab them, yeah? Yeah man, French time or beef time. Yeah, people, look at the sea. See, I go out with big things, you know, man. You don't know, I got a lot of wind out here. And the sea rough. Very rough. But we are going to look some stick here now, catch up the fire, and get the ball a roll, alright? Yeah, man, stay tuned. See stick them now, see stick them now, go make up the fire now, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, beef, so like crab them, you go wash off here now, you know. So go on.
So we have a jug here, so fire ketchup. This we are use and cook. We have put the crab them in that jug here. Yeah. This we are cook. I'm going to put some water here. So we want the jug to go here, so see. So my water. Salt in here now, so we are going to mix up like seawater with it. So get some seawater thing, just cover yourself like so. And get some seawater. Water leak out, man. Yeah, make it leak out. But you want to cover yourself. Yeah, people. Where the pot there? The pot under fire. But it's still there, still it a boil, the crab them a boil and everything. Yeah. Yeah, people see pot there. French tie there.
Take them off by fire now.
Take off the pot. Take off the pot off by fire. Get the plate them and come to eat. Nah, be no egg. This is true, we are trash this. Crab too. You know, people see my one, you know. Crab. You know it. Well nice with the French time. From the salt water, the sea water. And to get the salty flavor. Yeah, man. There are many ways to survive, people. Many ways to survive out here. Especially in these areas, you know. And the naturality of everything just make everything just feel nice, you know. Yeah, man. Once me have something to catch a fire, and me have a fish gun, I now have to go home, man. Can't survive. So they're well boiled enough, and you see the meat that come out like that. Yeah. More meat. More crab meat again. Crab meat. More flesh. Crab meat. Flesh, crab flesh. Alright now people, so the part of the crab we call it the engine. Yeah, man. So the belly part of the crab, you know. Let me can show you, look. Well nice. Well cooked. Yeah, man. Nice. Oh yeah. So yeah, people, you see it? Good there. Yeah, people, so as you can see, we had a good day today. Yeah, man, and everything worked out as planned. And yeah, I'm glad to say it worked out like how we planned it. You know, we never catch a lot of crab and thing. We catch 2, but we actually get to accomplish what we did want to accomplish, you know. And this technique, I highly recommend you use this technique only for survival purpose, you know. Yeah man, cause I don't want to not get up and cook in the plastic every day and all of that, you know. I don't think that healthy feed system. So use this technique only for survival purpose. Yeah? As always, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.